You don't need wide washi to make a background, and I'm going to show you how. Hi, it's Therese from Lostinpaper, and Alton, you have a new washi release, and this is just a few of the washi tapes and some of the rainbow ones I thought I'd share with you. They're nice and wide, except for this one here, which is the Gradient Rainbow Washi, and it's 17.8 millimeters, so it's a fairly narrow one, but it is 10 meters long. They're all 10 meters long, so you get stacks of washi tape, which is awesome. And I wanted to share with you how you can get this rainbow look background with this gradient with the thinner washi tape, and it's really simple. So I've got some Nina 110 pound cardstock here and cut it to fit on the front of my card. I've cut a panel, it's about 10.5 by 8 centimeters, and basically I'm just layering up this washi tape and abutting it, each layer next to each other, but as I'm doing it I'm changing where the colours sit on the panel, so it kind of gives that gradient rainbow look. And as soon as I saw this washi tape, I knew this is what I wanted to do with it. And I've got 10 meters of this, so I can have lots of fun. And it's really pretty. These colours are so vibrant and bright. And because it's so vibrant and bright, I thought it'd be fun to add the little fox from the Hug Me set and a balloon, and I've stamped it with some of the permanent black ink and colouring it with my artist markers. I will list all the colours that I used today and all the products today. I'll be listing them at my blog, so that link will be in the description below if you want to know exact colours and you missed them along the way. I do try and put the caps off to the side here so you can see what colours I'm using as well. I have been doing so much watercolouring lately that I think I'd forgotten how to use alcohol markers. So I really did have fun just playing with them again, although I did pick up the wrong colour blue here. I thought I had a blue for the balloon and it was more green than blue. So to change the colour, that's one of the good thing about alcohol markers is you can just come in and colour over top and it will lift some of the colour underneath if it's a lighter colour, and it will also alter the colour that you're using to suit. So I was able to save that balloon and not have to start again. This stamp set has coordinating dies, so I did actually use those to cut them out, and what I want to do is actually inlay them on this panel that I've created of washi tape. I thought it would be fun to do, and I'm just sort of holding it in place just to work out where I want my pieces to sit. And I don't know if you've ever die cut washi tape, anything washi taped, but it shifts. It's a real pain. So what I'm kind of finding is it's actually best to use washi tape to hold the dies in place, and lots of it. And I don't really have a problem if I do that, and then because it always peels away really nicely. I've got some copy paper here and I've just added some glue tape over the whole center portion, and then I'm just going to sit the gap over top that I've die cut with the balloon, and that'll just give me something to adhere the balloon to for my inlay. Now I want to do the same thing again, and this time I'm using the little fox image, and I want it to look like he's holding on to the string of the balloon here. So I've just held that in place the same way. I'm just using the washi tape again. It's the same piece of washi tape, and I am making sure that it is adhered fairly well before I run that through my die cutting machine. And just a little bit more copy paper with some of the glue tape on there, and my jigsaw puzzle piece is together. I did pop this up on some fun foam and adhere that to my card front. It's a top fold portrait card, and I've got one of the Alton New cutting mats here, and it has this really cool squares drawn up. Well, they're not squares. When I say squares, I mean rectangles, and they're the size of a whole card. So I can actually just line everything up using these grid lines on the mat, and I've found I'm actually using that a lot more than I thought I would. And this sentiment today is from the Sentiment Strips 2 set. So don't forget to head to my blog and you'll find out more details about this hob and see 2 more cards that I've made as well. I look forward to seeing you there. Till next time, happy paper crafting. Bye.